Okay, so we're here with Thailand Awlgrip Operations Director at Turquoise Yachts. Pleasure to have you here. Could you tell us a little bit about yourself, how you roll at
Hi.
Turquoise?
Hi, this is Thailand from Turquoise Yachts. I've been working with the company for 13 years and I have started this business as a production engineer. So I'm closely involved with all the production process. And today we are here for Awlgrip's new product, the Super Yacht, and we will have some, I think, question and answer session. Actually, years ago, we have decided to invest on people for the fairing and painting process, and we created our in-house team at the yard. Later on, the market demand increases on quantity and sizes of vessels, and we recognize that it won't be possible to bring more people into our team due to the fact that the training time and to achieve the good quality won't be that easy. So we were investigating to reduce our man-hour that we spend on our yachts. And while we are talking with our colleagues in Awlgrip, they have shared that there will be a new technology coming which will make our life easier. And once we hear about it, we decided to go for it straight away without questioning so much. After we decided to invest in this technology and the new product, we knew that the market demand is increasing and we could have some new projects coming. And luckily we have some new contracts signed after this investment, and right now we are more confident that we can achieve these deliveries with this advantage of the new technology and the product. We were sharing all the information and news we received from our colleagues in the market or on our investigations. And once we hear that there will be a new product, a new machine coming that will reduce our manpower and timing that we spend on our projects, they're also interested so much, and that's why it makes our life really easy to encourage them for this new technology. For the bigger sections, I think it is incomparable with this previous application because you can easily spray a hull in a couple of days time period. Since with the old methods you need to mix it by hand, you are very limited with the people. And also I can tell you that since you can make multiple runs on a sections, if you can reach the environmental conditions like the temperature, the humidity and the timing, you can run multiple times with this to achieve the needed thickness of the fairing.
Okay.
For these smaller sections, I think there are still, for us, there are still some investigation needed to have a better performance. But I can tell you that currently we are at the same timing. Of course, it is not so easy to switch from years of experience to a new technology in one day, but I think we are progressing in a good way. The biggest challenge so far we have faced is for small sections and recesses, we are still investigating on the tip sizes to apply the fairing at that sections. On the worst areas, we are still applying manually by mixing this sprayable product by hand. We have started the application on 2 projects simultaneously, and frankly saying we couldn't finalize the whole fairing process for these vessels. However, with our measures so far on the applied sections, our gain is around 30 to 40% less manpower use. After the fairing application, I think the rest of the painting process is exactly the same. So what I can tell you that the fairing portion of this painting process will be at least 30% less. I think the biggest benefit, of course, is the time we gain with this new technology. But on the other hand, I believe there is a benefit on the quality as well. Because with the previous manual application, manual mixing method, there is always a risk that we can have some air gaps or air bubbles inside the fairing. So with this separable product, it is impossible to have this problem. Finishing the hard works on a project is a really hard milestone to achieve, because we knew that with the old application method, the fairing takes a long time. So sometimes we need to start the fairing even though we couldn't finish the full hard work on the vessel, which is an unwanted situation. With this new technology, we knew that we will be spending less time for the fairing process. That's why we have a chance to delay the start of the fairing process and finish all the related hard works on the vessels. I would like to thank a lot to all Awlgrip team who has helped a lot during our training and our in-house team and also implementation of this new product.